Welcome, my sisters and brothers, to the Law of One. All is part of the Creator. I am Robert, but a humble messenger. It is my honor to share with you conscious channeling of LL research. Today, our question to QO: how do the residents of the planet that we now reside on know that the name of this planet is Earth? We are those of QO, and we are aware of your query, my brother. We find this particular query an interesting one, not only in terms of those of QO, but with this instrument as well. For the very idea of a name or an identity is a potent structure in your experience, a powerful means of creating a seeming separation of the manyness of the creation. That being said, we understand its importance in terms of designating the extensions of the Creator in very tangible means. Those on this planet have long resided here, many millennia before the sound vibration complex, Earth, was spoken or written in the means of your people's understanding now. In fact, this planet has taken on many various titles, such as GAIA or TERRA. Those on this planet have practiced various exercises, if you will, or experiences to try to understand this land upon which they set their feet and they lay their bodies. And it's through that experience that informs the entities of how to relate to it in a relational way that provides what you call a name. What we mean by this is that the concept of naming comes from a place of inspiration, of the love and light flowing through the entity and towards that which it's attempting to know and understand. In that way, there's an energetic vibration, a sound, a word that is created through this or that inspiration is detected through the energetic field when the entity is relating to this other larger entity. To say that there was a single moment in which the planet was named by another as Earth would be difficult to confirm. However, we would suggest that just like the entities gathered in this room have names and are conscious and express themselves through various means, be that energy or language or physical expression, the planet does so itself. And it is in that expression that the planet, as a conscious being, communicated its identity, not to one seeming lone individual, but to a collection of individuals. In that way, the planet introduced itself to the many other selves who live alongside it. Now, that may not be through the spoken word, may not have been detectable by the ear. However, it was felt and remembered and deciphered through energetic means. The feeling within the heart, the familiarity of oneness, of family, that this planet is a part of me and I a part of it. It is through that pathway of connection and relation to that the name Earth came into being, in terms of making itself known to the minds of those third density entities who reside upon it. It is through that pathway also that the planet expressed itself and identified itself as Gaia and TERRA and its many other names. So, to summarize, this communication did not happen all at once. There is not a spark moment. There is simply a gradual understanding and relating of entities upon this planet to the planet itself. And through that communication, the name Earth was introduced.